Meaning of groat.
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 Groat. Groat is an Old English word for a unit of currency, typically made of silver. It was used during medieval times and was worth 4 pence. Nowadays, the term groat is rarely used in everyday language and is mainly associated with historical contexts. However, the term is sometimes used in the context of nutrition to describe whole grains that have had their husks removed, leaving the innermost part of the grain intact. These grains, such as barley, wheat, and oat groats, are highly nutritious and can be used in a variety of dishes.